Hi, just a quick tutorial on how to change the color of your shape. Let's say this is a shape I have here. It could also be a letter, like we'll say I. We'll just make that really big. Drag it. Oop, that's not, there we go. Okay, so you have a shape or you have a letter. Could be either one. And let's say you just want to change the color, and that way it could go on different kinds of backgrounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I'm going to double click really fast. It opens up this window, layer style. Right here, see this color overlay? I'm going to go over there. I selected that and it selected the default, which is here, but I want to click that, and then I'm going to just kind of move it around and find whatever color I want. If you know the color number, you can put the color number in here. But if you just want to go like, let's say you have a black shirt and you want to turn this white or yellow so that it shows up really good. There's your yellow. White is always FFFF. 6X F's. Blah, blah, blah. It didn't sound right. Anyway, F's. Okay. You say okay. See, right now the background is white, so it's blending into the background. Let's delete that, or we'll hide. We'll use the eye to deselect the eye, and then you can see it there on a transparent background that it's white. And then this, double click, color overlay. You can just pull it up here, and there you can also select swatches, but this is just a quick way to find the colors that you want. If you want green, different shade, a tone of it, that's how you play with that, and you can choose your different colors. So that's one quick way, is by just changing the colors through that way. You can also use the color masking tool, which I find very fun. Let's say I have a picture of, say, a couple. I'm going to drag it over here. There's my picture. See it over here on the right side is layers. I want to select, right click with my mouse, and I'm going to create a clipping mask. And it won't show me on the heart right now because I have this effects. So the effects is overriding this picture. If I deselect the effects, there the picture is of this couple, which is really cute. Now you have a heart with a couple in the center of it. You can do the same thing with the eye over here. Let's just say I'm going to drag this down here to create a copy. I'm going to put it above the eye. It needs to be above whatever you're going to mask it over. Double click to kind of set it in stone. Right click, create a clipping mask. And that has the effects too, so I'm going to turn off the effects, and now you can see it over here. Just select it, move it around wherever you want it to show. Of course, it doesn't show very well with the eye because the eye's so skinny. But anyway, that's how you can show it. Let's just say, in fact, we can make that more than one letter. I am. Let's hide this heart over here. And double click to set it. Let's move that over here. So your picture can be on shapes. It can also be on fonts, letters, and it creates actually a really neat image. And you can save this as a transparent image. Let's do it with the heart. Oops. There's a heart. If I want to move both of them in the center, I'm going to select both layers and then move it over here. And now I need to make sure, if you want, let's say you want to put this on a black shirt, you want to save this as a transparent image. Otherwise it'll give it a white background. You don't want a white background if you're going to put this on a black shirt. So let's just say you want to put this on a black shirt. You're going to file, save as, you want a PNG. Very important that you get this PNG. And find whatever file you're going to put it in. I'll just put it on the desktop for now. Heart. That's the name I'm going to give it. Give it a good name. It's so important that you give your images good names so you can find it later on. Like heart is not actually a really good name. Maybe heart couple would be a lot easier to find if I was taking this very serious. Don't worry about that. Just keep it as none. You want it the highest quality possible and the largest size possible if you're going to create products with this. So where are you? Ah, here you are. Preview. So there's your heart shape, and you can put that on whatever product you want. And it will give, with the transparent background, when you put it on a product, that product can be any color you want, and this will remain, this will keep this color here, and the outside will be transparent. Okay, I hope that helps.